Well, hey guys, we was just looking for a inexpensive vacuum cleaner to vacuum our living room floor. We was at Walmart and we decided on this BISSELL Power Force Helix Turbo Pet. It says exclusive performance system. And it says 5 height adjustments, washable filters, extra long stretch hose, and 25-foot cord, and a 2-year warranty. I give $68 plus tax at Walmart for this, so I'm just going to take it out of the box, show you what's in the box, and then we'll plug it in and we'll see how it works. Alright, looks like it's got some maybe a registration card and looks like a little owner's manual. And we got some brushes. Different kinds of brushes come with it. Looks like a handle. There's the vacuum cleaner. There's the hose. And I guess that's a crevice tool. Well, let me put the handle on this thing right quick. Alright, it comes with a couple of screws. Now you can use a Phillips or a regular flathead screwdriver. The handle just fits on just like this. And put the screws, there's a hole on each side. Put the screw in. And that's pretty much all there is to putting the handle on. Okay, the next thing we want to do is, this is the lower cord wrap. We want to just put it right in here and turn it. Just like that. The cord will wrap right around here, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to hook the hose up. So put the hose in with a connector on it. Put it in right here, just twist it, it'll pop right into place. We bring her right up here, and down at the bottom, you just push her right on, just like that. That's your hose is now connected. Okay, to quickly go over the attachments it comes with, this is a pet turbo brush, and it fits right here. Next thing is you just have a dusting brush, and it fits right here. And then you have a crevice tool with an extension, just fits on right here, and it fits right in here like this. Now, like I was telling you earlier, this is where you wrap the cord up. I won't go to the trouble to do it. I think most people can figure this one out, but it just wraps around here, then around the bottom. You just keep wrapping it till you get it completely up. You get ready to take it off, this right here just turns down. You can actually just pull the whole cord right off. It's like that. Alright, the next thing I want to show you is how to clean your filters. So you got a button right here that says empty. Just push it, pull it in. You want to open your filter, you just pull this up right here. You can pull your filter out, take and wash it, get it good and dry, put it back in. Now if you want to dump it, all you have to do is just turn this, take it out, dump it. You got another filter right here. It's just an all plastic filter, but you might wash it out from time to time. Just fits in, pops right into place. Put this right back on like so. You line it up, turn it, then all you have to do is set her right back on like this, pop her right back into place, and you're good to go. Alright, to turn the power on after you plug it in, as you can see I've already got it plugged in. There's a red lever right here. All you do is take your foot, push it. Push it the second time and it'll go off. To lower your handle, there's a gray lever right here. You just push it with your foot and your handle goes right down. It'll lay almost flat or pretty low so you can get under a couch or something. Next thing I want to show you is your height adjustment. You got from low, like bare floor, all the way to high. So you can just, all you have to do is turn it. You can adjust what height you want. Okay, the next thing I want to do is show you how to use the attachments. So the first thing you want to do is just pull your hose right out of the cleaning head like this. And if you want a longer hose, you just unhook it right here. If you want to use your pet attachment, just take it out, screw it on like that, turn it on. Alright, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to use the crevice tool. You just take it out of its holder, pull it right on. If you want to take it out, you've got a wand you can pick stuff up. If you want to put your crevice tool in, pick it up in the same way. You just hit the red button, turn it on, sucks whatever you're trying to clean, dust, right up. And the last thing is just a brush. It comes out right here, just slides right on. So if you want to clean some furniture or scrub something with a brush, that's how it works. Well, last thing I'm going to do is just try it out. So I'm going to lower my handle, push the red button, see the Well, it definitely has a lot of suction. Well, guys, if you're looking for a vacuum cleaner that won't break the bank, maybe this BISSELL Power Force Helix Turbo Pet, maybe it's the vacuum for you. Well, hey, if this helped you out, hey, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I will catch you later.